How to change email in Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you learn how you can change email in Elevenlabs. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video till the end so that you would not miss any important step. The first step is for you to log in into your Elevenlabs account, just like I've done here. Then move to the left side of the screen where you can see options like text-to-speech, voice changer, voices, sound effects. Then scroll down until you can see your account, that is your account name. And once you've seen that, the next step is for you to select the profile option in the drop-down menu that appears. All right. So after clicking on profile, you'll see the option email address being displayed here. Now, as you can see, the email address, it's not possible to change it, right? This is because I created my account by making use of Google account, by using use of continuing with Google account. And because I used my Google account to create my Elevenlabs account, my Google account is directly synced with Elevenlabs, and that way I cannot change the email, only if I create another account entirely. But you can change your email if you registered on Elevenlabs by making use of email and a password. But if you registered just like I did here by making use of Google account, it is impossible to change your email. So if you registered with email and a password, just like you clicked on your profile name, and in drop-down menu that appears, click on profile. And by clicking on profile, your own the page that will be displayed to be different from this. You'll see the option for you to change your email. All right, click on that, enter in the new email. A verification code will be sent to your email. Copy the code, input it in the fields displayed, and then click OK, verify the email, and the email will be changed automatically. But if you used your Google account to create the account, note that it is impossible for you to change your email. The only solution will be for you to reach out to the Elevenlabs support, also by clicking on your account page, and then your account name, and then locate the option which says help or the option which is support. If you cannot find any here, move to the top right corner, click on the plus icon, and in the search box type out Elevenlabs support. All right, so just go ahead, type it out, Elevenlabs customer support, and you can see different options for you to submit a request, for you to contact the support. Go ahead, select the one that suits you best, and you'll receive an answer to your question. This is how you can change your email or Elevenlabs. Thank you for watching and have a good day.